Commercial space, San Jose. Why look for commercial space in San Jose now? There may be one or more reasons to review your current office, retail, or industrial space position. You may need to lower occupancy costs, improve your current space floor plan efficiency, consider an early lease renewal at fair market rent, negotiate a tenant-favorable lease, or evaluate some of the many choices available from hungry San Jose commercial space landlords. Tenant representatives help you handle these issues. Space occupancy costs may be reduced by finding a lower base rent when your current lease is over. Subleasing space that is not being used following cutbacks can be applied to occupancy costs and bring some relief until the current lease ends. Another mechanism that can be used is to audit landlord pass-through expenses to verify that they do not include misapplied charges, such as capital improvements. Lease renegotiation may work if your landlord will cooperate, thus providing another way to reduce occupancy costs. Business operations productivity is significantly impacted by layout and configuration of the building. Over time, what was once an efficient design can become less than optimum for many reasons. Personnel come and go, technology drives process revisions, new products are introduced and others dropped, all of which impact floor plan efficiencies. To correct the inefficiency and improve productivity, either the obsolete layout needs to be modified with tenant improvements, or a move needs to be made to another facility with proper configuration. Early lease renewal may be desirable, depending upon your current lease agreement. If the lease was made at higher base rent in better times, there may be an opportunity to exercise an option at current rates, which could be as much as 30% less. Arriving at the rate is what a tenant representative does. He or she ascertains current fair market rental values to justify a reduction in the renewal rent rate. A tenant-favorable lease will include all necessary business points. Make sure they are all covered properly, protect the tenant, and assure that there are escape clauses for unexpected damaging events. Rather than having a one-sided lease slanted in the favor of the landlord, you get a fair and balanced agreement. Tenant reps are in business of helping tenants find commercial space. There are many available lease space options from San Jose landlords willing to help you reduce your occupancy costs. Rents are considerably lower than they have been in years. With economic conditions starting to firm, now is a good time to shop around for another commercial space. As is usual in times like these, there are many attractive tenant concessions. Possibilities include free rent, tenant improvement allowances, and other inducements to attract new rent-paying occupants. So, this is how to find San Jose commercial space. Use a tenant representative who is familiar with downtown San Jose. Whether it is for reducing your cost of doing business, increasing productivity with a better building plan, negotiating an early lease renewal, obtaining a more favorable lease agreement, or simply shopping for a bargain, the time for finding office, retail, or industrial space is now. Commercial space, San Jose. Why look for commercial